Hello students, welcome to 9th standard. You are promoted from 8th standard and eagerly waiting for 9th standard lessons to go. Here we are going to start online classes to you. Welcome to Social Science subject. Myself Chandrasekhar. And I am going to teach you history, first lesson, history chapter 1, Christianity and Islam. Now, development of various religions in the world history. As you know, there are various religions like Hinduism, Judaism, Zoroastrianism, Christianity, Islam. So, in this, there are some religions very popular, like Hinduism, Christianity, Islam. Now, when we take as a timeline, I'm going to teach you what is BC and AD. BC is before Christ. That is, the birth of Jesus Christ divides the timeline into BC and AD. Now, BC is before Christ. So, birth of Jesus Christ before the birth of Jesus Christ is called BC. After the death of Christ is called AD or Anno Domini. Now, before the birth of Jesus Christ, many religions came into existence, like Hinduism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, all these religions. So after the birth of Jesus Christ, we had Christianity in 1 AD. Then, after 600 years, we have Islam. So, these two religions spread across all over the globe and they became the major religions. What is major? Many of the followers of Jesus Christ and Allah, God Allah, Prophet Muhammad. These religions became very famous. So, in this particular lesson, we are going to much detailedly study about what is Christianity, what is Islam, when did Christianity start, when did Islam started, when Christianity spread across the globe, how did Islam spread across the globe, what are the teachings of Jesus Christ, what are the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Now, these two, among the world religions, Hinduism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Christianity, Islam, among all the many religions in the world, these two religions are major. So, first, before we go into Christianity and Islam, we are going to see that these two religions are called major world religions. And these two religions also called Semitic religions. Easy to understand. Semitic is same. Here they have one God. In Islam they have one God. Their teachings, Islamic teachings, Christianity way of life, Islam, almost it goes similar. And Semitic religions are mostly found in the Middle East. Middle East in the world, Semitic races, same type of belief, monotheism, one God religion. So these two religions, Christianity and Islam, two religions originated in Central Asia. That is, Middle Eastern countries. Jesus Christ born in Israel. Prophet Muhammad born in Mecca. And their Middle Eastern, both almost similar in the Central Asia. What is in detail about Semitic? Semitic, same ethnic, same culture, same languages, Middle Eastern languages, Syro-Arabian languages. Their languages also same, their ethnic, the way of dressing, style, behavior, attitude, belief system, food style, all same, cultural practices, festivals almost same, the languages are same. So these two religions, Christianity and Islam, both are called as Semitic religion, Semitic races, Semitic language. So students, you need to understand from this what is BC, what is AD, when Hinduism, Jainism, Jainism came, when Christianity came and Islam came. What is CE? Century era. Century, cricket common word. Century means how many runs? 100. Century era. Century era means 100 years. Okay? So, these both Christianity and Islam came between this 100 years. That is 1 AD. 100 years within them it started. That is after the birth of Jesus Christ. Major world religion, they are Semitic religions, they are coming from Middle Eastern countries, races, different people, same type of people. Two religions originated in Central Asia, and next Semitic in detail, ethnic is same, lifestyle, culture is same, behavior, attitudes, languages are almost same. They are called as Syro-Arabian languages, Middle Eastern languages. So this is students, this is the basic introduction before you study in this lesson Christianity and Islam. You need to understand the basic introduction, and next class I am going to teach about Christianity, how the birth of Christianity, about Lord Jesus Christ, His birth, His life, His parents, His ministry. Jesus did wonderful ministry in the earth, and His teachings and His followers, how the Christianity spread around the world. Keep waiting for my next class of the same lesson, chapter 1, history. Thank you.